Han! Galing Appear! Appear! Iyak ka pa kuya. Pag kuya. Kuya, you're alive. You're safe.
Sabi sa kanya gano'n. Tell this kid is the boss.
Ano feeling? How do you feel? Are you happy? Han, are you happy?
This is the first time.
Yeah.
That was extreme.
How did you feel?
Are you proud of yourself?
Oo. Natulala. Na-trauma.
I was proud of
Godi, smile. Godi. Ayun, dinosaur oh. Ayun. Ayun. Godi. Sorry. Matusok ay! Matusok. Pakamay mo na lang kaya. Nainggit ito. Ano mo na?
yung agam. Oh, lalo yung kanilang agam, yung mga libre.
Nainggit siya. Gusto niya pa.
Alam mo ba kung ano pinakit ko dyan, Han? Ito. Ganitong money.
Bakit ninong mo to? Akin to ninong eh.
Taan mo. Oh.
Love ninong love. Oh, tuloy-tuloy
I have a question for you.
Uy, pansinin mo naman.
What did you feel when you ride the roller coaster? Is it scary?
Han! Ay, picture daw.
Tago. Kasi naman.
Ay! Ay! Han!
Until the station ride attendant advises that it is safe to alight. Should you wish to ride once more, kindly alight and fall in line again. Thank you for riding the Rio Grande Ride.
Hi, Godi, hi ka, hi. Cody! Hi, Cody, hi. Han. Cody.
Ay.
Kaya ka?
No. Ang galing namin ni Cody. Para kami nakasynchronize kanina.
Bakit?
Siya tulog sa balikan ko, ako tulog ng tagal.